Remember, everybody, there's a big difference between having principles and using your brain. Hey guys, in case you missed the first video, the link is in the description. Now, in this video, it will show the reinforcements that Ranger Lee called because his ego was so butthurt. These two clowns come out and tell us that we must now leave the building or we will be arrested for trespassing, where just a few minutes earlier we were told we just needed to stand behind the scanning machine. Pure tyrants at work.
Business license and became successful. We have yet to go and be able to do that, and our freedom of movement was violated. Y'all's oath was to uphold the Constitution and our rights, the freedom of press, the freedom of movement, and at this point, we are being infringed on, and y'all are following suit. And if you just follow orders like Nazis, then you'll become Nazis just like they did. We need to wake up, America. What are y'all doing? Who are you fighting for? I'm doing this for my children.
That's what they said in the
their
Nuremberg trial.
And right now, two kids,
the claw marks are still on the walls and the gas chambers in Auschwitz.
We're not letting that happen. It's getting worse. You remember when you were a little kid, it wasn't like this. You know when y'all were little kids, it wasn't like this. And look how bad it is now.
All of this is because he immediately comes out, wants to get us out with COVID.
We need y'all to stand up for us.
And says we don't leave here.
Right now, the only thing you guys are defending is Lee's ego. Because he doesn't want to sit here because he gets butthurt because now he's famous.
Now, I'm not done with you, okay?
Am I being tried to arrest if I do not leave?
Because I'll ask for your name and badge number.
Okay, I'm going to leave under threat of arrest.
See, this is what they're doing.
Your badge number?
It's wrong.
May I have your name and badge number, please?
Gonzalez, what was your name? Our badge number?
The number? 4.
Badge number 4.
Thank you.
It's a sad thing to catch
Oh, Lisa, how you doing? Hey, come over here. Are you a subscriber or what?
Hey, you guys gotta take off.
Yeah, I know. It's because of his ego.
It's
because of his ego.
He's waving the sheep out. Come on, sheep, bro. You know what?
He says we can never come in here ever.
You look like a man. Your knee is going to bow. Okay? I guarantee that. Like a man. Your knee is going to bow. Okay? I guarantee that. Every day is going to bow.
Stop being so butthurt, bro.
To the king.
Get over it.
Have a good day.
Get over it, Vato.
We're coming with legions of angels.
Think about it, man.
Hey, buy me a beer, and I won't make you look so bad in the video.
Yeah, you're dirty, Gonzalez.
Have a good day.
You're a dirty cop, Gonzalez. Remember that. You're a dirty piece of. Remember that, Gonzalez.
Bye.
Continue, guys.
Hey, that's my
Remember that. You're dirty. You're dirty, Gonzalez.
Hey, why don't you be a good guy like Peña, man?
I'm not doing.
Yeah, you can learn from Pena.
They're good, they're on
He
time.
knows that you guys are dirty.
You guys are good.
Bye.
All you guys are dirty. All right, Pena, think about the future, man.
What's your name, ladies?
Stay legit, dude. I like you, bro.
What's your name? I can't hear you because you forced me outside, ma'am. You made contact. I need your name and badge number.
She called him back. Yeah, she said outside everyone. She called him back.
Gonzalez is dirty as shit.
And that's that, folks.
Well, I told him off. I already closed out my.
All right, well, there you have it, people. Butthurt Lee. Everything went wrong here. That we can't record in here, but recording's allowed. We're never allowed to record in here. Sheriff said stay back from the scanning machine and we're good, otherwise inside we'll be trespassed. And then the reinforcements come out and say that we'll be arrested and trespassed, so we got to leave the building. This is how they work in Bakersfield, everybody. Okay, guys, News Now California. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.